Hello, folks. Hello, folks. My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and I am going to answer the question, who launched drones at the Kremlin and how did Russia respond? So we saw in the news that the Kremlin in Moscow, Russia, had some drones launched at it. And how did Russia respond? Well, good question. First, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this video. Okay, so Russia actually accused the United States and Ukraine of being behind the drone attack on the Kremlin, but both countries have denied involvement. Military analysts in Moscow have suggested that a non-state group using commercially available drones could be responsible. In response to the incident, Russia launched its own drone attacks on Ukrainian cities, causing multiple explosions in Kyiv. The situation remains tense as both sides continue to deny responsibility for the attacks, and the origin of the initial attack on the Kremlin is still unclear. If you are looking at everything going on in the world and you're trying to invest, a good starting point would be to get more education. If you would like to learn more about investing and other related topics, please go to my group, www.benjaminzmiller.com. Go to my website, fill out the contact form. We love to hear from new people. And we also have regular meetings. If you're interested in learning about different investment topics, you can go to Meetup and you can search for Benjamin Z. Miller. You can find the group and join the group there. Or you can go to LinkedIn and search for Benjamin Z. Miller. Folks, I hope that helps. If you learned something from this video, maybe share it with your friends. You might be able to help them also. Good luck with your investing.